Pomegranates, with their vibrant color and nutrient-rich seeds, have long been celebrated for their taste and health benefits. But did you know that starting a pomegranate farming business can be both profitable and sustainable? In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through every step of building a successful pomegranate farming enterprise, from initial investments to ongoing costs, expected profits, and essential tips for maximizing your yields. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or a newcomer looking to tap into the world of smart agriculture, this business plan will give you the insights you need to succeed. Let's begin with the basics. Why choose pomegranate farming? Pomegranates are a resilient crop, well suited to a variety of climates, particularly semi-arid and subtropical regions. They require less water compared to many fruit crops, making them an excellent choice for areas with limited rainfall. Their growing global demand, thanks to increasing awareness of their health benefits, means there's a strong market both locally and internationally. From fresh fruit to processed products like juices and extracts, pomegranates offer multiple avenues for revenue. Now, let's talk about the key steps to setting up your pomegranate farm. The first critical decision is selecting the right location. Look for well-drained soil, preferably loamy or sandy loam, with a neutral to slightly acidic pH of 5.5 to 7.0. The land should receive plenty of sunlight and be free of waterlogging, as pomegranates are susceptible to root rot in poorly drained soils. If you're starting from scratch, you'll need to budget for land acquisition, soil testing, and initial preparation. Next up, choosing the best pomegranate varieties. Popular cultivars include Wonderful, Bagua, Ganesh, and Arakta, each with unique characteristics in terms of yield, fruit size, and disease resistance. For commercial farming, it's wise to select varieties that are known for high yield and quality, and ideally, those favored in your target market. Consult local agricultural experts or nurseries to ensure your choice aligns with regional conditions. Let's break down the initial costs. Land acquisition or lease rates vary greatly depending on your location, but for estimation, let's consider you're starting with 1 hectare. You'll need to prepare the land, clearing, tilling, and amending the soil, which can cost between $500 to $1,000 per hectare. Planting material is another key expense. Quality pomegranate saplings usually cost $1 to $3 each, and you'll need about 400 to 500 plants per hectare, depending on spacing. That's an additional $400 to $1,500. Irrigation setup, such as drip systems, which are highly recommended for water conservation, can cost around $1,000 to $2,000 per hectare. Fencing, farm infrastructure, and basic tools may add another $1,000 to $2,000. Overall, your initial investment for a 1 hectare pomegranate farm ranges between $4,000 and $7,500. For larger operations, economies of scale may reduce per hectare costs, especially when buying materials in bulk. Now, let's explore ongoing costs. Pomegranate farming is relatively low maintenance, but regular care is essential to ensure healthy growth and high yields. Annually, you'll need to budget for fertilizers, organic matter, and pest management, costing around $400 to $600 per hectare. Labor for pruning, weeding, and general maintenance can be another $500 to $800 annually. Irrigation costs will depend on your water source and local rates, but expect to spend about $300 to $500 each year. Additionally, set aside some funds for disease control and periodic soil health tests. So, when can you expect your first harvest? Pomegranate trees begin to bear fruit within 2 to 3 years of planting, with optimal yields reached around year 4 or 5. A well-managed farm can produce between 10 to 20 tons of fruit per hectare annually. With current market prices ranging from $600 to $1,200 per ton, your gross revenue per hectare could be between $6,000 and $24,000 each year, depending on variety, market demand, and fruit quality. Let's analyze the profits. After accounting for annual operating costs, which total around $1,200 to $2,000 per hectare, you could be looking at net profits ranging from $4,800 to $22,000 per hectare per year once your orchard is mature. These figures are conservative estimates, and profits may be higher with value addition, such as processing fruit into juices, jams, or exporting to high-value markets. Speaking of value addition, let's touch on ways to maximize your revenue. Pomegranates have a long shelf life, but processing can unlock even greater profits. Consider investing in small-scale processing equipment to produce juice, concentrate, or seeds for culinary and health products. Packaging and branding your products for niche markets, such as organic, health-focused, or export, can further boost your income. Marketing is a crucial aspect of your business plan. Direct sales to local markets, supermarkets, restaurants, and juice bars can offer higher margins. If you have the capacity, explore online sales or partnerships with distributors for wider reach. Attend agricultural fairs, network with exporters, and leverage social media to increase your visibility. Building strong relationships with buyers and consistently delivering high-quality fruit will help you secure repeat business and premium prices. Now, let's share some tried and tested tips for pomegranate farming success. First, invest in high-quality saplings from reputable sources. Poor quality planting material leads to low yields and increased disease risk. Second, adopt drip irrigation to ensure efficient water use and healthier plants. Third, pay close attention to pruning. Properly pruned trees produce more and better quality fruit and allow for easier harvesting and pest management. Regularly monitor for common pests and diseases, such as fruit borers, aphids, and fungal infections. Integrated pest management, using natural predators, biological controls, and timely interventions can minimize chemical use and maintain ecological balance. Mulching with organic matter helps retain soil moisture, suppress weeds, and improve soil health over time. Don't overlook record keeping. Track expenses, yields, sales, and labor to identify areas for improvement and ensure financial sustainability. Stay updated with the latest research and innovations in smart agriculture, such as remote monitoring, soil sensors, and data-driven decision-making to further optimize your operations. Finally, consider diversification. Intercropping with legumes, herbs, or vegetables in the early years before your pomegranate trees reach full size can provide additional income and improve soil health. Collaborate with other farmers to share resources, knowledge, and access to markets. In summary, pomegranate farming is an excellent opportunity for those looking to build a profitable, sustainable agribusiness. With careful planning, smart investments, and a focus on quality and innovation, you can turn your passion for agriculture into a thriving enterprise. By understanding the costs, maximizing your profits, and following expert tips, you'll be well on your way to success in the world of pomegranate farming. Whether you're ready to start your own orchard or simply exploring new avenues in smart agriculture, remember, the key to sustainable growth is knowledge, persistence, and a willingness to adapt. Dive into the world of pomegranate farming, and you may just discover the fruitful rewards it has to offer.